Hi everybody and welcome back to the Coderoom. Alright, in case you didn't watch the video on styling headers, I wanted to do a quick video just talking about hex colors, okay? So now this all has to do with CSS colors. Now in the styling headers video, what we did is we actually replaced our colors with hex codes, okay? So in the past, what we had is we had background and we had something like background gray, okay? Or background blue or something like that, okay? They're words, all right? Now CSS comes pre-programmed with a bunch of colors, blue, red, yellow, orange, all words, but they do not by any means come with the full spectrum of colors, okay? For the full spectrum of colors, you need to use what are called hex codes or RGB values. Now in this video, we're going to talk about specifically hex codes, all right? So what hex codes are is they look like this. They are a hashtag, okay? Followed by 3 pairs of numbers, okay? So it'll be a first pair, second pair, third pair, okay? And these could be any numbers, okay? It could be like that, and so on, okay? Now what's interesting about these numbers is they are not based on the decimal system. So it doesn't just go from 1 to 10, it actually is based on the hexadecimal system, okay? Which goes 1 to 16, okay? Now you can look up hexadecimal systems to understand that, but these are basically hexadecimal numbers. Now each one of those numbers, okay, those pairs of numbers represents a red value, a green value, and a blue value, okay? So that's how this number comes to be. Now that's all well and good, but practically how do you actually find these colors to do that, okay? The easiest way is actually to use a tool to find the hex color, right? And now I just found one really quickly on Google, and Google built this in. If you Google hex color picker, they will actually provide to you this color picker here, okay? And you can basically pick any color that you want, okay, move this around until you find the exact color that you want, and then you will have the hex code here. So once you have that color, that numeric representation of it, okay, whatever it is, all right, you copy and paste that, and then you can put that into any place where you would put a color in CSS. So color, background, border color, anything that involves color, you can either put a word or a hexadecimal system, okay? There's also a third type called RGB, all right, which is pretty similar, which you'll see it right underneath the hex value, RGB. Now this uses our regular decimal system. So you can say RGB, 219 is the red value, 129 is the green value, and 153 is the blue value, all right? So just different ways to represent the same color. And CSS actually accepts both of them. So it's really up to you. I'm a big fan of the hexadecimal system, to be honest. So I just grab that, throw it in, and you'll be good to go. All right, so you can use this in any of your CSS colors. All right, that's it. We'll see you guys in the next one.